In this program we are going to understand how to calculate the simple interest, and for that we need principal, rate and time. So we are using three variables up over here. The values will be given by the user for these three variables. After that, the fourth variable, that is SI, that is the simple interest, we are putting the formula to calculate the simple interest. So what we are asking is, we are asking the user to enter the principal, like the amount of money, and using the input function that will be by default in text form, so has to be converted into integer. So we are using the int function for to convert it into integer, and that value will be stored in this particular variable. After that, we are asking the user to enter the rate of interest, and using the input function, so again the value will be in the text form, so has to be converted into integer. So we are using this int function, and that value will be stored in this particular variable as rate, and then asking the time, and likewise stored in time variable. Then we are putting on the formula like simple interest is equal to PRT by 100, so that is principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time divided by 100. So whatever the result of this calculation will be, that will be stored in this particular variable, and after that we are printing this particular variable as the result, like the simple interest is SI. So we need to run this code to check the output, and let's say the principal is 3000 and the interest be, let's say, 10%, and the time, let's say, be 12 months, like 1 year. Enter. So it says like the simple interest will be 3600.